Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another card making video. Today I have a really cute side edge card for you. This is my Little Monster side edge card. It has that cute little monster there in the front. You open it up and it says, "Happy Halloween, you little monster," and then there is a spot on the back for your message. It of course comes with an included envelope as well. This one is super fast to put together and I can't wait to show it to you. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any card making fun. And with that, let's get to it. Step 1. Get the free SVG cut file. Here we are at my blog, thebeardedhousewife.com. We're going to head to the Resource Library tab. If you don't have access to my free file library, you can click Get Access. You'll fill out a form and be emailed the password. But for now, we're going to head to Enter the Library. Go ahead and type in the password and hit Enter. And then you're brought to all the free files. For this project, you're going to want to look for design number 139. That's the Little Monster side edge card. Go ahead and click that hyperlink, download the file onto your computer. Make sure to unzip the file, and then we can go ahead and open up Cricut Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to Cricut Design Space. Now that we're in a new project in Cricut Design Space, we can head to Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer and click Open. And upload, highlight the image, and click Add to Canvas. Step 3. Convert score lines in any text. Now that the project has been brought into our canvas, we need to go ahead and ungroup the design. We have a few things to convert, so let's scroll down the Layers panel and find the envelope. Highlight this black box, come up to the operation menu and change that to score. Highlight the group and attach. We need to do the same thing for the card base, so highlight the score line, change that to score, highlight the group and attach. And the last thing that we need to do is convert the text here because we want the machine to draw it on. So we need to change that to pen. So highlight the text, come up to operation and change that to pen. You can change the color of your pen if you wish. Highlight the group and attach. Once you're all set, you should have the score line for the envelope converted, the score line for the card base, and then the sentiment layer changed to pen. Once all that is done, let's head up to make it. I'm going to be using the mat for this project. And you'll see the different layers for this project. Let's click Continue. I'm going to be using medium cardstock for this project. Go ahead and click that. I will go ahead and get everything all cut out, and I will see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your card. Now that everything's been cut, it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. The first thing that we need to do is go ahead and assemble our little monster character. I have them laid out from left to right. I've also included a layering guide within the download to help as a visual aid for you, so you want to check that out if I go a little too fast here. I'm going to go ahead and speed up the video while I put this together. Alright, here is our little monster character. Isn't he cute? I'm going to set him to the side to go ahead and dry. Now we can go ahead and mat and layer our messaging panel and then our inside cover panel. Alright, we can set those to the side. Now let's take our card base, fold along the score line, and burnish with our scraper. We can go ahead and add the cover panel to the front of the card. Go ahead and open up the card and add the inside cover panel. And now flip the card over and add the messaging panel to the back of the card. I'm going to open up the card and add the little sentiment here on the inside. One thing that I will have for you once this card is made available, I will have a little mat that will go along this sentiment on the inside. There we go. And now we can just add our little monster to the front of the card. Cute little monster on the front. Open it up and it says Happy Halloween, you little monster. And then there's the back for your messaging panel. I'm going to set that to the side and let that dry. I'll show you how to make the envelope really quick. So for the envelope, you're just going to go ahead and fold along the score lines and burnish with your scraper. Add glue along the outer edge of the inlay. You can also add glue to the cutout on the envelope as well. Flip the inlay over and place that over the cutout on the envelope flap. Make sure to center it the best that you can. Spin that envelope around and fold those side flaps in. Add your glue along the bottom edge of those side flaps. And with your thumbs, bring up that bottom flap and press. And that has formed our envelope. Super cute. How easy was this card to put together? I love that you can dress it up with different pattern paper. You can really make it your own. You can include that sentiment in there. You don't have to, of course. So you can make this for a variety of different occasions, in my opinion. I hope that you like it. If you make it, go ahead and post it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of friends who support and encourage each other, and we would love to see your creations. There's a link down below for you to check it out. Until next time, I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I hope that you have a great day. Bye!